Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can host your static website using Amazon S3. There are many ways to host your website, but this is a very simple way. If you have any small website that is static in nature, you can host that website in S3. So here's the very good documentation. You can even follow this document and you can try doing by yourself. If you are having any issue, you can see my video. So first of all, you have to create one S3 bucket. So I will go into my S3 bucket and I will name this bucket as, you can give anything. I will give name as delta frog dot www.deltafrog.com. So this will be my act as a website. So you can give any bucket name and it should be globally unique, and you can choose any region. I'm choosing here Mumbai region and just create it. So once your bucket is created, you have to go to bucket property here and you have to go to one section called static web hosting. Here you have to do edit and you have to enable this property, and while enabling it you will get one message saying that what will be your main file. Main file is just like your entry point of your website. So usually it will be before that it was default.html, but nowadays usually it is index.html. So whatever it is, you can give that one. And if you want to redirect to the error message, you can give the error.html, but for simplicity I'm just giving index.html page and click saving it. Now I have one simple website I created. So this is the website. This is simple website in HTML. So if you have whatever the website is there, you can just save it with name. I saved it with name called index.html. This is the website. I will upload this one in my S3 bucket. So I will go to the object and let me upload it here. Add file. This is index.html. This is very simple. So once it will uploaded, it is done. So now you have to go to this index.html file and you can just try to access this URL. So you will get this message saying that access denied. So you have to do some setting and allow your bucket to access publicly by any user. So first of all, you have to go to your bucket. This is your bucket. You could go to permission and edit this. This is by default, this public access will be blocked. So if you see the message called block all public access. Block all public access means by default no one can access your bucket, but I want all of my users that want to access my website can have to give the permission for accessing. So I will just allow this one. So I will show you step by step. So you can allow this and do save change and confirm here. Just copy this one and paste it here and confirm this. So this is allowed, but if you try to access this website, still you will get this error. Why? Because we have to do bucket policy setting as well. So you have to add the bucket policy. So I have already have the bucket policy, this JSON. So here we have to allow get object for this bucket. What is the bucket name you have created? You have to allow all the things like star means everything. So action will be get object. So they can, anyone can get the object. So you can copy this one and go to, you can just edit the policy and paste it here, and you can change the bucket name. So my bucket name is deltafrog.com. So I'll copy this and change this. Whatever the your bucket name, you have to keep the bucket name here. After that, just save it. Once you will save, go to your website URL and just refresh it. You will see this is your website hosted into S3. So that's all for this video. Hope you understand these things first, but I will recommend you to just go through this website and read it. Try to do by yourself. If you have any problem, you watch my video. Thank you very much. Thank you.